morning. We're in downtown Chicago, if you can't tell, and we're going to the Federal Reserve
Bank Money Museum.
Yeah, Money Museum. And this is the place where they shred money.
Yes.
Yeah, which is crazy.
So
like
they shred like 10 million a day.
They shred 10 million a day. So that'll be interesting. And then we're going on a boat tour. And hopefully we have time to eat before we do that. So, we got a cute baby. She just woke up from a nap, so she's confused on where we are, as usual, when she wakes up.
Alright, so we're inside enjoying this little girl. And this is $1 million in $1 bills.
Look how big it is. It's crazy. Weighs over 2,000 pounds.
1 ton. Look at all that.
Can I just have that, please?
God, I wish I was like Superman or something right now. I
could pick it up and fly away.
I would just be like, screw y'all.
Okay, now there's $1 million in 20s. Look at that. Look at the difference. 20 and in ones. We just had a stressful like hour and a half getting to the boat. We're here. We stopped and got vegan food at this place and I ate mine in the car while Dave was driving through craziness. And
she had a blowout.
Oh yeah, that was the other craziness. She had a blowout. It got on her pants, not on her shirt. I don't know how. Stupid disposable diapers. I can't wait till we can go back to our cloth diapers. But it's really pretty. Are you excited? She needs to take a nap. Huh. And Dave still needs to eat his food. And it's probably gonna be delicious because mine was so good.
Better be.
The Willis Tower?
Yep.
Right?
The black one that's tallest.
It's the what tallest, did she say?
It used to be the tallest building in the world. Second tallest in the US now.
That's pretty tall.
It doesn't look that big, but it is.
And our baby fell asleep, so that's good.
So folks, I'm going to give you a little more information.
Tour was really awesome. What did you think?
It was good.
It was super cool and really pretty. Now we're heading to the Bean. We're in Millennium Park. And there it is. So shiny.
Someone just polished that all the time? Or what?
I don't know.
I love her effort right now. Yeah, touch bean, sure, yeah.
Look at the baby. Cute baby. He's like, yep, that's a cute baby.
Yeah, I agree. Cute.
We're under the bean.
Got a pigeon here. Just missing a foot.
Missing all his his long claws. Aww.
So he's limping around. Poor little fella. And we're at the bean, but someone lost their mind and had to eat again after like what, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
So I don't know. I guess sightseeing all day to work her
And
out.
she's teething.
Yeah,
And we
there's that.
officially know that she's teething.
Yeah.
So there's that.
We call it toofing.
It's just one tooth.
One tooth.
We are almost back to the car. Riley had a meltdown while we were at the park. We changed her diaper and basically Dave just had to hold her while we walked back to the parking garage because she was so upset. She's definitely teething.
Saw a tooth.
Dave thinks he sees the tooth like actually it's through, so we gave her some Tylenol and now she's
tired and happy.
And pulling off socks to keep her entertained. So whatever works. And now we're gonna get in the car and see if we have time to do anything before we go meet my cousin at her place for dinner and her family. We're almost at my cousin Olivia's house and we stopped and got vegan chocolate chip cookies and she picked up Thai food for us from some place she passes on her way home from work. So it looks really delicious, so I'm sure it will be. And Riley is still sleeping and I'm hoping she's in a much better mood when she wakes up than she was before she fell asleep. I think she just needed a nap and the teething is an issue, so poor baby girl. What do you think? You can come meet another baby? She's still considered a baby, right?
Yeah.
Hi. She's like, get that camera away from me. What do you think, Riley?
Hello. Hi, that little face of yours, you are too much. Look at those little eyes, I can't take it.
Hey,
Riley, you gotta get out of
so how do you feel? What do you feel like?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Why are you on mute now that brother's
Did
gone?
you feel like?
Why are you all on mute now?
Are you reading? Is my big girl reading? We are back at the room. It was a long day. We had fun with my cousin and her kids. And Audrey did not know what to think about Riley. She did not like her. She was like, you're not the baby in this house, I am.
Yeah.
Yeah. My sweet girl. Look at you sitting up like a big girl. Yeah. You ready to go night-night? She's so tired. She pretty much slept the whole way home. We just got this girl ready for bed. She had a meltdown, had to nurse, even though I don't think she was hungry. I think she's comfort nursing because she's teething.
Doofy,
Huh.
doofy, 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 doofy.
Getting a tooth in. And tomorrow we're going to Michigan for the Tulip Festival. Yay! It's gonna be so fun and pretty. Not as pretty as you. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.